Okay, this is a video of me opening my ASR sway bar and the subframe with the end links. Alright, I barely ordered it. Today's Wednesday. Ordered on Sunday, I believe. And it got here on Tuesday. So, it's not bad. Okay. Let's see. Got this other side. And sorry if it's taking so long to open this up, but I'm trying to hold the phone and deal with the camera at once. So, okay. I'll even put staples on this thing too. Shit. See those staples? Alright. I'm gonna put you down for a minute. Alright, here it is. Here's a subframe. With, I guess, yeah, what I bought. This is for my 92 Honda Civic EG. And here is the sway bar. It's actually kind of heavy. It feels like a good like 30 pounds. Here's my t-shirt too. When you spend like $250. All the subframe, the bolt, because I'm gonna get I have a Beaks lower tie bar, so I'm gonna do that also. Where's my fucking ending thing? And it looks like that's it. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else in the box. So, okay. Let's open this puppy up. Put you down again, get my knife ready. My little work knife that I have. Altogether, this costs like $460. $60. Kind of expensive, but I like how it looks, and it's gonna provide, you know, suspension performance benefit. It's mainly for aesthetic looks, but hey, who cares? Okay, here's my end links right here. All the thing that came in the little kit. The bolts, the washer, the female end link, and the male ones. The little brackets that go on the sway bar that hold them down. Here's the other side. The subframe. We got the subframe brace spacer and the backing plate, which you have to put on for the EG, I believe. And okay, let's see the subframe itself. Here it is. Made in the good old USA. ASR. And here's the sway bar. It's gray. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.